Hello, in front of me I have Zepp Z watch and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. To change the language on this device, we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open it. In the app, we need to tap on the profile icon, select the Zepp Z watch from the list of devices. On this page, we need to select the option called Watch Settings, then tap on the system language. And right here we have the list of languages we can select. For example, let's select Deutsch, then tap on OK to confirm. Now, when we wake up the screen on our watch and open the menu, the language should be changed to Deutsch. And as you can see, it is. Now let's quickly bring it back to English, like that. And when we open the menu is in English. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.